At least 1,000 healthcare workers who are working in Bada Hindu Rao Hospital, they have threatened to go on permanent strike. The reason is they are not getting their salary for past 4 months. In fact, what we are showing it to you, these are the visuals which are not the normal visuals, because these patients who are COVID patients now being shifted to another COVID hospital because the government, the administration is saying they are not able to pay the salaries to these doctors and the administrative staffs. The reason is that what the MCD says, because this hospital comes under North Delhi Municipal Corporation, and when we talk to the senior authorities, higher authorities of North MCD, they say that Delhi government should release the money so that they could pay. When we talk to the Delhi government, they say that they have already dispersed the money, they have already released the money, but it is the duty of the North MCD to pay the salary. So where the issue is stuck, nobody knows, and what is going on, nobody knows. The hospital administration, basically they are saying that they have no choice, then they can, and they are now ready to shift these patients to the Delhi government run hospital. Now these ambulances which are parked over here, these are the Delhi government ambulances. You can see these are the CAT ambulances which came here. They are 7 to 8 in numbers, but because the patients are 24 in numbers, 2 have already been shifted. The process will continue one by one. They will be shifted to LNJP hospital. This is Delhi government run hospital. Remember today when the doctors and the other healthcare workers threatened to go on permanent strike, the Delhi government health minister Satyendra Jain came out and said that now they will shift these patients to their hospital. So that's why this process is going on. But this is really very shocking that those who are healthcare workers, the doctors and other administrative staff, they work for 24/7 for past 4 to 5 months, and in fact 6 months have already been crossed since the corona pandemic came across the national capital. The numbers are increasing daily. Every day the numbers are increasing. In fact, for the past few days the number decreased, but now still again started increasing, despite although everything has been opened in the national capital. So definitely at this time this kind of thing is happening. This is really shameless, what we can say, from the authority side, from the politics side, because MCD comes under the MCD. This is not MCD, which is run by the this is run by the Delhi. This is run by the BJP. However, the Delhi government is ruled by the Aam Aadmi Party. So definitely the politics is going on, and what we are getting to know, this is long pending issue. This is not the new issue that is happening for past 4 to 5 years, and every year their salary always get delayed, but this time it has already been not paid. This is a corona time. Definitely the government, both the government, in fact what we can say, whether it's BJP or whether it's Aam Aadmi Party, they need to think, and they should not do the politics into it.